Brett's drinking your sambuca. Down the hatch, Brett.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey! 3, 2, 1. Hey! And Tabs, he's the road captain tomorrow. Dude, is it gonna be good?
It's gonna be good.
Good morning everyone. We're here at Cardiff Gate Services, ready for our weekend trip to Nottingham. It's my first ever proper full weekend away on a bike, so I'm pretty excited. I know. The boys are breaking me in, but Kev's by here. He's gonna tell us what we're doing this weekend.
Morning all. What we haven't told Brett at the moment, he's going to buy the beer today.
Oh no!
And he's going to sort the blonde ladies out tonight as well, but we won't go down that route. We're all looking forward to our weekend up in Nottingham with the Sherwood Chapter. Great bunch of guys, so we should be in for a cracking weekend. Fingers crossed we're going to get some nice dry weather. It's looking a bit grey at the moment, but we might be lucky and get away with it. So looking forward for a good weekend, a couple of beers and a couple of JDs and probably a bit of misbehaving, but there we are.
Fantastic.
Catch you all later.
Let's make a move. You ready?
Always ready.
Fantastic. We're about halfway now.
You've got to make
Stop for a Mackie D's. We're in Norcester. Say hello to everyone. Everyone say hello.
Hello.
Hey.
How's your rap, man?
That big yellow thing's up in the sky again. It's turned out lovely. We had a little bit of rain on the way here, but it's been a nice trip so far. So let's keep going. Right, I've made it to the hotel. taken about a million wrong turns to get into my room, but it's all right. It'll do. Nothing fancy. It'll do me for the evening. Let's have a look. We got out here. Not too bad. Right, time to get changed and hit the bar. Yay. Right, taxi's here. Everyone.
Ben first.
Got it. Video on. Right, we're going to the next place. Go to the Harley bar. Free drinks are done. Yay. This taxi's going well, boys. Squeeze in, boys. How's it going? Right. This is a bit cramped. We're all big boys. Hang on, let's get Kev. Hey! Hi again, everyone. We're at the Harley Bar in Nottingham. Check this place out. It's next to the Gurkha kitchen. Let's have a look. We're all having a good few beers. Everyone's inside. We're meeting some of the Nottingham, the Sherwood Chapter. Some good guys and girls here. Everyone here. Say hi, everyone! The beers are happening! It's all good times. We're being well looked after. It's a good night. Excellent. Right, we've had some food in the Gurkha kitchen. I'm stuffed. I've had so much on the leftovers. Right, guys. Was it good? Was it good, Kev? Was it good?
Yes, top marks.
Kay, what do you have? Tell me about those prawns. Sound amazing.
Prawns,
they were
absolutely beautiful.
Oh, Paul's still going? Yeah.
Still a fantastic, boy, fantastic.
Me and Phil, I think we had some free sambuca shots and Phil, hang on.
Here we go.
Oh, it's not going well. Right. I'm here with Matt. He's the director. I mean, he's the big man from Sherwood Chapter.
We're gonna have a good time, dude, aren't we? It's his first trip away as well.
It's
to
my
Nottingham.
first proper weekend away on a bike. This guy is awesome. To be honest, this setup we've got by here is amazing, dude.
Amazing.
I can't believe it. And it's being so well looked after. Tomorrow's going to be amazing. Nice ride out. This
Absolutely.
is fantastic, and it's a pleasure to meet everyone. Let's rock and roll.